Hello everyone, my name is Yele of Yele Stitches. Yele Stitches is a female fashion brand that makes female dresses, clothing, of course, and accessories. And today I'm gonna teach you how to make this satin lined headbands. Look at it. It's twisted in the front, it has elastic here, and it's completely made of satin. I know you like it, I know you want it, Alright, okay, so let's dive in and let me teach you how to make this. Come on, y'all! To make this twist headband, we are going to need 3 pieces of fabric. Either using satin or cotton or any other kind of material that you like that you think would be great for your hair. I use satin because I think it's so nice and so soft and so smooth on my hair. So for the 3 pieces where I'm right now cutting the first 2 pieces. Now the first 2 pieces have the following dimensions: 18.5 inches in length and 8 inches in width. 18.5 inches in length, 8 inches in width. You can always put seam allowance around it, so you can make it 19 by 8.5 or 20 or 19.5 by 8. It doesn't really matter as much as long as it's within that range. It depends on how wide you want it or how long you want it. Now these are the first 2 pieces that I just cut, and we are going to stitch it. I've put it aside for stitching. The next piece is going to be the small piece. This small piece is where our elastic is going to pass through. That is like our tunnel for our elastic. Anyway, so this small piece is the dimension of the small piece is 3 inches wide and 12 inches long. Now because I'm cutting it on fold, I just need to measure 3 inches wide and 6 inches long. Because it's on fold, when I open it up, it's going to be 12 inches. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. For math gurus out there, I hope I'm doing you proud. Anyways, okay, so I am cutting it out with this my nice razor that I bought from Amazon. I'm going to link the products below, the razor and the mats. They have been so good to me. Anyways, we are moving on to sewing our pieces together. So the first one is the longer piece, the 18.5 inches by 8 inches, and you see that I folded it into 2 and I am sewing it down. And I'm going to repeat that same process for the 3 pieces that I just cut, or that we just cut. I'm going to also put in the product link to the satin fabric if you are interested in it, and the product link to the elastic. I believe the elastic that I used, it's a little bit stiff, but if you want something softer, you can always get something softer. And also remember that satin frizz. So because satin frizz, I am going to stitch it again with a zigzag stitch, so it doesn't fray and the headband doesn't last 6 months. Okay, that's me giving it a lot of hope. Anyway, let us move on to the stitching. Okay, so after stitching all these zigzag stitches, the next thing we have to do is to turn everything inside out. As you can see, that fabric is so pretty. I don't know who else has used it. You can write what you think of the fabric in the comment section. Like I said, I'm going to link the products below if you're interested in getting this fabric for yourself, to make yourself a satin headband, a satin bonnet, name it, anything satin. This fabric is so nice and so pretty, to do it. So I'm turning everything inside out now, and the next thing after this is going to be to put in the elastic through the smallest piece. You see that small piece there? The smallest piece is the 12 inches by 3 inches piece. I'm going to turn that inside out and put in the elastic. Now the elastic that we're going to make is going to be 5 inches or 6 inches long, depending on how big the head is. himself, so I'm going to talk about him in a nice way that I am. Okay, so like I said, we are going to measure about 5 inches or 6 inches. We'll measure 6 here, 6 inches, and cut it out. Now we're going to use a safety pin to pass it through the pipe. Now this safety pin that I'm using is a special kind of safety pin. I went on Amazon to look for safety pins, and I didn't know that I bought napkin pins. You know, like the pins that you use to hold baby napkins for their their area. That was the kind of pin that I bought. I didn't know. I just looked for strong safety pins, and that was what that's what got delivered to me. It was strong. That's what happens when you don't read description of products. Please read description of products. Learn lessons from me and read the description of your product before buying it. I didn't, and I got napkin office pins. They work very fine. I actually like them. They are pretty strong. It's just that they don't go through smaller holes. They can only go through holes like this, or pipes like the one I just did. Now the next thing you do is to lay down your longer pieces and put them across each other like a cross. Okay, and then you see it's already forming your twist headband. La la. By the time you finish this headband, when you step in anywhere, they will turn around and look at you one more time. So we're going to fold one side and another side on the elastic, on the smaller piece elastic. I hope you saw that. We're going to fold one side and another side and then stitch it. I zoomed it in so you could see it clearer. I hope you actually saw what I did. So after stitching one side, we're going to repeat the same process for the other side of the headband. If there are any questions at this point, please let me know in the comment section. If there's anything that was not clear to you, please let me know. I'm an upcoming YouTuber and I'm trying my best to show all the process. But if I skipped anything or you didn't get anything, please let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to work on it for future purposes, or even make something similar so you can see the way I did it. Now we're going to repeat that same process for the other side. You're going to place your elastic directly on the other side, like you're just moving in the same motion, and just putting it on the other side, and then you are going to fold it the same way. Just fold it the same way we did the last one. I hope you can see this one, even if you didn't see the last one. My hands keep blocking it. I don't know why. That's why I zoomed it in the last time, but I hope that you got it from the last zoom in that I did, and now you can understand the concept of what it looks like on the other side. So this is me repeating it again so you can see exactly what I did. I just keep repeating so you see it better. All right, so I move it directly on the other side, then I fold it one side on top of another side, and then I stitch it. Yele is stitching. So our beautiful twist headband is ready. Look at it. Oh, look at our sweet baby. Oh, looking so yummy. This headband on your head then. Everybody will be telling you to turn around when you wear it out. It's so pretty. Anyways, moving on. Yes, I'm back. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment below. Comment what you want to see on my page, more content, or just, say holla at me. If you try this, if you make this, I'd love you to tag me on Instagram at Yele Stitches so we can rock our headbands. together.